pros. She got 7 guys like that. I heard Frank's in a coma.
That's it. I'm asking for a raise.